Okay, now we are moving on with
Umbrella.
the most trickiest part, that is the rapid fire round.
Okay.
So are you all set?
yes.
Who should I ask first?
Orville.
Do you sing in the shower?
Yes.
What songs?
Any songs, whatever come to my mind.
Which song?
I sing songs by those reggae guys. Who are-
Pausachi Sans.
Pausachi Sans, you know.
Okay, what is something you can't do?
Something I can't do. Dance, I think.
You cannot dance?
I thought you said you were a
I
dancer.
used to be. There's a big difference in doing that.
Wow.
You tell me to dance on stage, I wear.
Okay, what makes you laugh?
Anything.
What are your favorite lyrics of all time?
Favorite lyrics of all time. No favorite lyrics as such. Favorite singer I have.
What? Who?
Richard Marx.
What's Heavenly Played One, your music playwright right now?
Sorry?
What is something that is playing well on your playlist right now?
Something that is playing right now. I was listening to Zac Brown.
What did you want to be when you grew up when you were 12?
A drummer.
What is an important life lesson for someone to learn?
Important lesson in life for someone to learn is to live life to the fullest.
What do you do on a rainy day?
Have chai.
Take the umbrella.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Bread and butter.
How do you know if you're in love?
She will tell me.
What's the best thing that happened to you previous month?
Best thing that happened to me previous month? I can't remember.
Name the first word that comes in your mind right now. First word.
First word.
First word.
First.
Come on.
Word.
First word.
First word.
First word.
Word.
You're saying word.
Yeah, you said first word. That's
Yeah.
what I thought of word.
Oh, you're answering the word.
Yeah.
All right. Good one, Alvin. Okay, Sylvia, are you ready?
Yes, yes.
What is the most useless talent you have?
Useless. I have the talent of sleeping.
What
I
a
can
talent.
just sleep
Hey, that's not useless, huh?
throughout.
Okay.
Never useless.
Late mornings.
Okay.
Yes.
Which is your favorite birthday cake? Or what flavor?
Chocolate.
What would you be doing right now if it wasn't for your music career?
I really can't think of anything, but maybe I would
Taylor,
be...
probably.
I would love to teach, yes. I would be teaching
Who is the last person to have texted you right now?
today.
Today.
I texted my daughter, yes.
Do you have a party trick?
No. I'm not
What was the
party
last dream you remember?
animal. No.
Okay. What's your go-to karaoke song?
I just sang it, I think.
Okay, the one you sang right now. Which musician would you like to collab next?
Musician. In
Doesn't
Goa?
want to collab anybody. I'm the best.
In Goa.
Okay, what do you feel is the best song you've ever released and why?
I would say my this song Red Cherry
Why?
is because it's a very upbeat and I'm sure people are gonna love that song.
All right. Name the first word that comes in your mind. Don't say the word.
First,
Favorite solo artist?
Orville Rodriguez.
What is that? Okay, what is one thing you still have from your childhood?
myself.
And last but not the least, must have purse item.
Purse item, my phone.
Must item.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. You all have played the rapid fire very well and pit pet ko answer hi
you.
dila. So
Adi.
come on, let's
As
give a
fast.
round of applause.
He's answered all my questions and he's
Hey,
taken
I
the
didn't answer
credit
all,
for
huh?
them.
I
also.
answered only that one.
All right,
That-
and
that-
now